friends, I am Nisha Nair. In this video, we are going to learn about micrometer screwage, measurement using micrometer screwage and application of micrometer screwage. Now, what is micrometer screwage? Micrometer screwage is an instrument where measurement can be done very precisely. It is used to measure the mechanical components or to find out the measurement of machine components. It is mainly used in mechanical engineering field, and the measurement it can be do is 106 parts of meter scale or 1000 part of centimeter scales. If we have to do measurement very precisely, micrometer is used because it can do measurement very precisely. So this is the definition related to the micrometer screwage. So next we'll start with measurement using micrometer screwage. For that I am introducing the picture of micrometer screwage which has been labeled with different parts. Here first you can see a stud and screw, which is the two end of a micrometer part where the object has been kept between that and the measurement of object has been done. And this stud and screw is supported with the help of frame. Now, so as we have seen in vernier scale, vernier caliper, there are two scales are there, main scale and vernier scale. Here in micrometer screwage also two types of scales you can see. One is pitch scale and another is circular scale. Here pitch scale is connected with screw and ratchet, means it is a fixed scale, it cannot move. And here circular scale can be moved in a circular motions, which has been controlled with the help of timbal. So measurement has been done using the help of pitch scale and circular scale, and object is kept between the stud and screw, which are the two ends in between which the object has been kept. Now next we will learn how we can do measurement using the micrometer screwage. For that we have to know the least count. As we know, least count is the smallest value that can be measured by the measuring instruments. It means in a measuring instrument which is the smallest value we can be measured. So we have calculated the least count of vernier caliper in previous video. Similarly, we can also calculate the least count of micrometer screwage. For that, the equation to find out the least count of micrometer screwage is pitch distance divided by number of division on circular scale. Here pitch distance means the consecutive distance between the two screw in the pitch scale, which is divided by number of division on circular scale. As we have seen, there are two scales are there in micrometer screwage. One is pitch scale and another is circular scale. So here the distance of pitch distance is been divided by number of division on circular scale. Then we will get the least count of that particular micrometer screwage. So before doing a measurement using micrometer screwage, we have to calculate the least count of that particular instrument. Then only we can do the measurement. Now, there are different types of error we can see in this instruments also. The first error is zero error. In the picture you can see here the 20 has been marked. 10 which is the individual 0, here you can see it's 10 is of circular scale and 10 is of a pitch scale. Now, if the 0 of circular scale and the 0 of pitch scales matches, which coincide within a single line, then such error is known as a zero error. Means that instrument doesn't have any error. Whatever measurements we are doing, we can write that measurement as a total measurement. And the second type of error is positive error. Here in the picture you can see the positive error, where the 0 of a pitch scale doesn't move because the pitch scale cannot move. Here circular scale can be moved, so the difference will come in the circular scale only. Here you can see the 0 of circular scale is on the down side of a main scale, which is down of that pitch scale. So if screwage has a positive error, or if the screwage has a positive error, that means there the 0 of circular scale is lying down to the main scale, to the pitch scale. Such error is known as a positive error. So we have to calculate the number of positive and measurement of positive error found in that micrometer screwage, and at last with the total value we have to subtract the positive error. Now similarly, the next error is negative error. In the figure you can see the zero of pitch scale doesn't change because it is a fixed scale. But here you can see the zero of circular scale is on the top side of the main scale, top side of the pitch scale. So such error is known as a negative error. So here also you have to calculate the value, the difference of the error, and that value should be added with the total value to get the accurate measurement of the object. So there are three types of error in micrometer screwage. First is zero error, second is positive error, and third is negative error. For zero error, we doesn't want to change any measurement, but in the positive and negative error, we have to find out the difference of the error, and that should be subtracted or added with the total value to get the exact measurement of that object. Next is application of micrometer screwage. First, it is used to find out the diameter of wire, which is mainly used in machineries, etc. Second, it is used to find out the diameter of steel rod, which is used for the construction of building. Third, it is used to find out the thickness of a sheets, metal sheets, etc., where the diameter of sheets can be determined or measured using the micrometer screwage. So these are the applications related to micrometer screwage.